Hello fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Stacy here again. Welcome. I'm so happy and delighted to have you guys back here again. And for my return viewers, you guys are awesome. I appreciate each and every one of you. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the like button, and don't forget to share with friends and family, loved ones who might find it difficult to grow their natural hair. And if you already have your natural hair growing, you can use this recipe because it is fantastic. In today's video, I want to be sharing with you guys one of the methods in which I make my aloe vera oil. There are 3 ways in which I make the aloe vera oil actually, but in today's video I will be sharing this method because I receive a lot of messages on people requesting on a way in which they can make this oil without the use of blender. So that is the reason why we are doing this method today. So if you want of those who requested, here is the video. Ta-da! So in today's video, we'll be using 4 ingredients for this recipe, and the first one, as you can see on the screen, is aloe vera. Okay, aloe vera, a mighty and huge aloe vera. So the first process is to cut it into pieces. You need to cut it as smaller as you can get. This is the smallest I could get. If you could go any smaller, perfect. Okay, so after cutting it, we move to the next step. The next step is to put it into the pan in which you'll be using it to cook on fire. Okay, so you put in all the ingredients you need at once and then set it up on fire. So guys, we are done slicing all the aloe vera, and the next thing is to put in our oil. Okay, if you're familiar with me or you've been following me, you should know there are particular oil I cannot do without. Okay, and the first of it is olive oil. In this recipe we'll be using olive oil. The first oil I added was olive oil. I didn't measure it. I don't measure my olive oil actually. I just put enough that I feel is okay for me and I am good to go. I don't measure it. But if you feel you want to measure it for yourself, there is no problem. Okay, but I did not measure my aloe vera and my olive oil. The next oil I am adding is coconut oil. Okay, I added 3 spoons of coconut oil. Just 3 spoons is enough for me. I love coconut oil a lot because of how it helps in the root of my hair. It helps in the strands of my hair. Okay, so the next ingredient we'll be adding up is coconut oil. 3 spoons of it is okay. Sorry, I added 5 spoons actually. My bad. I take full responsibility. And the next thing to add is rosemary. Rosemary, I added 2 spoons of rosemary actually. 2 spoon of rosemary is okay for this. Okay, so these are the 4 ingredients I used for this method. Just my aloe vera, olive oil, coconut oil, and rosemary. And then the next thing to do is to put it on fire, guys. You need to put it on fire and let it simmer for at least 20 minutes. At least 20 minutes. Let it simmer on this 20 minutes and we're good to go. After 20 minutes, you could see it's kind of properly brownish. Not so brown, but brownish a little, just a little. And then we'll bring out the chaff from the oil with a strainer, and our oil is ready to be used. It's ready, guys, so ready to be used. So this is what the oil. I had to transfer it from the other bowl to this, the disposable bowl, because this has a mouth in which I can put it in the bottle. So guys, in this place I used my shea butter living conditioner. This is a living conditioner I've been using ever since I started my natural hair. So what I do is I pour in the oil into the shea butter living conditioner and I mix it together. So this actually helps me. This has been working magic for me. This is the deal, the real deal, guys. This is the real deal. It's the real deal, guys. So you shake it together, and leave-in conditioner, the shea butter will mix together with the oil, giving you some oily, as you can see, some oily leave-in conditioner. Oily leave-in conditioner. In this way I can use it together when anytime I want to finish washing my hair. Just as you can see, I finish washing my hair, making sure it's properly washed, and then I apply this mixture directly to my hair before I braid it. Before I braid it, guys, I apply it to my hair and make sure that the hair is properly moisturized with this mixture. It is awesome, guys. It is awesome. This is my 1 year, as I said earlier. It's my 1 year of making natural hair, and I have loved the journey so much. Not only does it not make it difficult for me to comb my hair, it also grows the hair. For a longer, stronger, and thicker hair, you need this mixture, guys. You need it. It is awesome. You can use any leave-in conditioner of your choice. It's not a must you must use this one that I'm using. You can use any leave-in conditioner, but you must make sure that you make your oil very perfect to mix the both together. So guys, this is the end of today's video. Thank you so much for staying through. Thank you to my return viewers, I appreciate you guys so much. I appreciate you so much. Thank you for staying through, and I will see you in the next video. Peace. Bye.